Hi guys, welcome back. Right, over the last week I've had a few parcels. Got the BM Frank locks that arrived. Thanks, I think that was Tonka that sent them on to me. Thank you for that. A few locks from Boldy Locks, a challenge lock, the Potty Zeiss icon, and this I think this was jamsiss. It's a pass around. It was sent on to me by Simon Boldy Locks. So I thought I'd give this one a go on camera. I quite like these American locks. It's the 1100 series. I think it's 5 pin. There's the key. I think it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, about 5. They have that distinctive click when you open them. Yeah, so right, let's see if we can get this one on camera. We'll have a go. Anyway. Okay, so got a Mad Bob's pry bar, 0.8 mil. He fits nicely in there. Light tension. Let's have a feel. I couldn't actually feel anything sticking up then. Okay, feels like something near the back. I don't know if that's pin 5. Yeah, that's a nice click. I think that's pin 2 or 3. Maybe not. There we go, that's a nice click off. I think that was 3. Pin 1 feels like now. See if we can get a click out of him. Got a click, but not sure if he's set. Yeah, I got another click out of him. He didn't feel set properly. Now where are we? Pin 2. Pin 2 is giving feedback. Try and get a click out of him. Nope, he ain't gonna go. It still feels like it's number 2. Yeah, still feels like number 2. I just hope I haven't overset number 1. Let's try and release some tension. And if I've overset something, but number 2 don't want to move. Maybe he's already set. Oh, maybe it's because it was already open. I done the fatal thing of thinking I had to pick another pin when it was already open. I didn't feel the big drop, the false set. But well, anyway, there you go, open. 5 pin. I'm guessing it's 5 pin anyway. It looks like it's 5 pin on 2. 5-pin American a1100 series. Okay guys, cheers for that. See you later. Bye.